Most people get this wrong when reviewing Varo Bank. They focus on one feature, like early direct deposit or savings rates, and completely ignore the overall banking experience. Here's the truth no one tells you. A bank can have great features on paper and still be the wrong choice for your financial needs. In this video, you'll learn what Varo Bank offers in 2026, its biggest strengths, potential drawbacks, and whether it's actually worth using. Let's get straight to the answer. Varo is a digital bank designed for people who want to manage their finances entirely online. Instead of relying on traditional branch locations, Varo focuses on mobile banking, digital tools, savings features, and everyday account management. For many users, the biggest attraction is convenience. You can manage your account, track spending, receive deposits, and handle most banking tasks directly from your phone. For example, imagine Alex receives his paycheck through direct deposit and rarely visits a physical bank branch. For someone like him, a digital-first banking experience may feel much more convenient than a traditional bank. But here's the problem. Convenience isn't everything. This is where most people fail. They choose a bank based on one attractive feature without considering how they'll actually use the account every day. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One of Varo's biggest advantages is its focus on digital banking tools. Many users appreciate the ability to monitor spending, manage savings goals, and access banking services through a single mobile app. That's a small win that can make managing money easier. However, there are trade-offs. Because Varo operates as a digital-first bank, users who prefer face-to-face banking or regular branch visits may find the experience less appealing. Let's look at another example. John likes sitting down with a banker whenever he has questions about his finances. In that case, a traditional bank with local branches may be a better fit. On the other hand, if Jake handles almost everything online and values convenience, Varo may provide exactly what he's looking for. In a minute, I'll show you the most important question to ask before opening an account. First, consider your banking habits. Do you mainly use mobile banking? Do you receive direct deposits electronically? Do you rarely visit physical branches? If the answer is yes, you're likely closer to Varo's target audience. Now, here's the key question. Are you looking for a digital banking experience or a traditional banking relationship? That single question will often determine whether Varo feels like a great choice or the wrong one. The bottom line is simple. Varo Bank offers a modern mobile-focused banking experience that can work well for users who prefer managing their finances online. Its biggest strength is convenience, while its biggest limitation is the lack of traditional branch banking. The key takeaway is to choose a bank based on how you actually manage your money, not just on a list of advertised features. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more banking reviews and financial app comparisons, and let me know in the comments whether you choose a digital bank like Varo or stick with a traditional bank.